All right, very happy morning, everyone. Happy morning. So thank you very much, Ankit and Pratik. Let us give big round of these two LKG students and still being together and trying to make the world greener. By the way, I'm a professor at IIT Bombay और मैं शादीशुदा हूँ. मेरी दो बेटियां हैं. फिर भी मैंने अपना घर 11 साल के लिए छोड़ा है. So last time when I was at home it was 2020 and next time when I'll go my home it will become 2031. And I keep asking, why a professor of IIT Bombay married, can do something like this. There can be two reasons. One, professor has gone crazy, दिमाग का screw ढीला हो गया. Or there can be genuine reason. And I hope that I don't look crazy by looking at my face. By the way, भारत में जब लोगों को समझाना होता है कि सत्य क्या है, तो सबसे पहले समझाते हैं असत्य क्या है. When you understand असत्य क्या है, तो सत्य जल्दी से समझ में आता है. Similar to that, if you really want to understand what is sustainability, then you have to understand what is not sustainability. And as a professor, I am trying to throw you light to understand what is not sustainable so that you can understand what is sustainable. My warning to all of you that if you are going to listen to me, a lot of your thoughts are going to change. And if you have any problem with the change or if you have any allergy to change, my warning is don't listen to me carefully. But if you really want to change, then pay attention to every word that I speak. Are you all ready to change?
Yes.
So let me start by asking, how are you all?
We are good, fine. Fantastic.
How many of you are happy?
Yes.
Very nice. How many of you are very happy? And what is the proof that you are happy? Smile on your face, right? So till I am going to talk to you, please keep a smile on your face. नकली होगी तो भी चलेगी. जीवन में जब तक असली स्माइल नहीं आ जाए तब तक नकली से काम चलेंगे. But that is as per Gita, that is the purpose of our life. For every single act that we perform in our life, whether we want to eat an ice cream, or we want to look good, or we want to get a good job, good position, good respect, behind every single act there is only one purpose, that is to be happy. There cannot be any other purpose. And nobody says that I am happy. I keep asking everywhere. सब लोग फाइन पे अटके रहते हैं. ठेले वाले से पूछो भैया कैसे हो, बोलता फाइन. IIT में स्टूडेंट प्रोफेसर लोगों से पूछो हाउ आर यू, दे से फाइन. Go and ask all the big principals and collectors and big officers how are you, they also fine. तो मुझे लगता है दुनिया में कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. मुंबईया भाषा में बोलते हैं दुनिया में कुछ तो लोचा है. इतना सब कुछ साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी इकोनॉमी होने के बाद भी हम लोग फाइन पे अटके. So anyway, I hope you are still here, so you are going to listen to me carefully. Agenda is going to bring you clarity on what, why, when and how of climate change and sustainability. As I said, a lot of people have not clear understanding and therefore we keep doing things which are actually not very effective. I'm going to introduce you the concept of the finite earth and the real meaning of sustainability and eventually what you people can do in your individual life. By the way, I left my home for 11 years, so I made this bus as my home. I live in this bus since last 5 years. It is not the normal bus. There is a bed inside, there's a kitchen inside, there's a washroom inside, there's a library inside, there's an office inside, there is a temple inside, and also there is a small garden inside. And there are solar panels on the top that powers everything inside the bus except the engine. I've been traveling all over the country, giving some thousands of lectures, meeting lakhs of people, and I'm in Mumbai with my home, my bus, so I'm going around and talking to people as much as I can. Let me ask this question to you. How, if you take a picture of the planet Earth today, how would it look like? Suppose we somehow got into the space, when you take a picture, how does the planet look like today? Well, there are three possibilities. We see either things are growing and becoming better, or we see things are maintained and sustained as it is, or things are degrading. What do I see today? I see that everything that is not essential for human survival, like AI, computer, mobile phone. Can we all live without AI? Mobile phone, TV? We can. But what is happening? They're all growing like leaps and bounds. Every 3 months, new model of mobile phone. But everything that is essential for survival of human life, जिसके बिना जी नहीं सकते, what is, किसके बिना जी नहीं सकते? Air के बिना, water के बिना, soil के बिना. So tell me with a loud answer, air quality is improving or degrading?
Degrading.
Water quality is improving or degrading?
Degrading.
Soil quality is improving or degrading? जिसके बिना जी नहीं सकते वो डिग्रेड हो रहा है ना? जिसके बिना जी सकते वो इंप्रूव हो रहा है. So there is a big question, is there something wrong on this planet? Is there something wrong with we modern humans? And it looks like this terribly wrong, the way we are living, the way we are doing things, something that people are not bothering, but I think it's important to take a note of it. है ना, दो मिनट सांस नहीं लेंगे तो मारे जाएंगे, 8-10 दिन पानी नहीं पिएंगे तो जिंदा नहीं रहेंगे, खाना नहीं खाएंगे, जिसके बिना जी नहीं सकते. That's all going from bad to worse. As a result of that, everything has changed. The climate has changed. See, things are not same anymore. Monsoon is not same anymore. Winter is not same anymore. Are you all feeling the change?
Yes.
In fact, the change is so fast that हर साल is changing so fast. बड़ी से ऐसी गर्मी तो पहले नहीं देखी. For example, this monsoon. Are you all saying ऐसा monsoon तो नहीं देखा? Right from 10th May it is already raining. There is something terribly wrong. And floods, droughts, heat wave, forest fire, ice melting, sea level rise, food production reduction, disease, everything that can go wrong is actually going wrong. The reason is not deforestation. The reason is not plastic. Reason is something else. As I said, a lot of people have no idea. So reason is use of energy, the manner we use energy, and this is a proof of it. We started industrializing ourselves in 1850. Then we started getting coal, oil, gas. And today in 2025, look at what we are using: coal, oil, gas, solar, wind, biomass, hydro, nuclear, all kind of thing. But you'll be surprised to know that coal, oil and gas together is 80 to 85% energy, and coal, oil and gas is made out of only one single element, that is carbon. And every time when you burn carbon, this is a reaction. Carbon plus oxygen equal to carbon dioxide plus energy. We all use energy. Are you all using energy?
Yes.
By the way, I'm a professor, so I'm going to ask a lot of questions. एंड अभी जस्ट ब्रेकफास्ट करके आए हो तो आई होप कि तुम्हें एनर्जी भी तो थोड़ा जोर से आंसर मिलना चाहिए. जब तक मैं हूँ मैं प्रोफेसर हूँ, आप लोग स्टूडेंट. ओके, आर यू ऑल यूजिंग एनर्जी? विच मीन्स यू आर ऑल emitting carbon dioxide. Where do you emit carbon dioxide? Into the atmosphere. We all emit carbon dioxide in the atmosphere as if it is your father's property. पिताजी का है, दादा का है, मामा का है, नहीं, सबको लगता है एटमॉस्फेयर उसके पिताजी की प्रॉपर्टी. बाय द एटमॉस्फेयर आपने नहीं देखा तो दिखा देता हूँ. ये जो थिन ब्लू लेयर है, दिस इज द एटमॉस्फेयर. एंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? साइंस इज ग्रोइंग, टेक्नोलॉजी इज ग्रोइंग, इकोनॉमी इज ग्रोइंग. इज द एटमॉस्फेयर ऑल्सो ग्रोइंग? नो, एटमॉस्फेयर इज नॉट ग्रोइंग. बट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, every garbage that we generate in our day-to-day life, we are all dumping in this atmosphere. As a result, what we have done, we have made atmosphere as our garbage bin. ये हम सब ने इसको कचरे का डब्बा बना के रखा है. एक गार्बेज बिन घर में होता है जिसको हम खाली कर सकते हैं. ये गार्बेज बिन को खाली कर सकते हैं? Yes or no? हाँ, जोर से. खाली कर सकते हैं? नहीं कर सकते. That is the problem. And this carbon dioxide is not a normal gas, by the way. What do you call carbon dioxide as? Greenhouse gas. You don't even realize that every single thing that you do in your life, every single minute of your life, you are emitting carbon dioxide. Are you all brushing your teeth every day? You know, brushing teeth is a dangerous activity. Probably nobody has ever told you. You never told your student, brushing teeth is a dangerous activity. Because to brush your teeth, what do you need? You need toothpaste. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, एनर्जी, कार्बन इमिशन. सिर्फ टूथपेस्ट से काम नहीं चलता, उसको पैकेज करना पड़ता है, बढ़िया कार्डबोर्ड, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, एनर्जी. वेयर योर टूथपेस्ट इज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड नोबडी नोस. आपको किसी को पता है आपका घर से कितना दूर बना है? 500,000 किलोमीटर. इट हैज टू बी ट्रांसपोर्टेड. एनर्जी, कार्बन इमिशन. देन टूथपेस्ट इज केप्ट इन द शॉप. द शॉपकीपर यूजेस लाइट्स, फैंस. आजकल तो एसी में रखते हैं. दैट्स एनर्जी. यू गो एंड बाय टूथपेस्ट विद कार, एनर्जी. Then toothpaste is not enough, you need toothbrush, manufacturing, transportation, all energy. Then that is not enough, you need water. For water you need pipe, for pipe you need iron. Where does iron come from? Iron mining, refining, 1500 degrees centigrade, energy. Motor, for motor you need magnet and copper wire, copper mining, energy. Overhead tank, cement, concrete, iron, energy. Is that good enough to brush your teeth? No. We need wash basin. Wash basin is made out of ceramic. Ceramic is melt at 1800 degrees centigrade, lots of energy. Is it good enough to brush your teeth? नो. सुबह सुबह सुंदर सा चेहरा देखने के लिए क्या चाहिए? क्या चाहिए? मिरर, क्वार्ट्स, 850 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड एनर्जी. इज इट गुड इनफ टू ब्रश योर टीथ? नो. हमारे बाथरूम को चारों तरफ से बंद करके रखा. वी नीड बल्ब. टू रन द बल्ब वी नीड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. फॉर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वी नीड टू बर्न coal. Look at how many arrangements are required for performing a simple act of your life called brushing teeth. You're getting point? Imagine how dangerous we are. How dangerous our every minute of our life for the planet, because for every single thing we are emitting carbon dioxide. When you send hello, good morning on your WhatsApp, you are emitting 4 grams of carbon dioxide. We have no idea. That is why we don't understand sustainability in the manner. As a result of that, the carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. It is getting accumulated and accumulated. As I am talking to you, there is 53% extra carbon dioxide sitting in the atmosphere. We the modern humans have become so dangerous that we have changed our atmosphere by 53%. No other animal on this planet has such a capacity. And carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. It is having greenhouse effect. 53% extra capacity of the planet to trap the heat. As a result, planet is becoming warmer and warmer and warmer. Are you all feeling that? Yes. The temperature of the planet is rising. And every system has a breakdown limits. Like your rubber band, when you pull it and leave it, it goes back to the original state. But you pull it beyond the limit, it will break down. Planet, Earth, and ecosystem, the atmosphere also has a breakdown limits. And you'll be surprised to know what are those breakdown limits. The first breakdown limit is 1.5 degrees centigrade of global warming. Second is 2 degrees centigrade. What is going to happen at 1.5 degrees centigrade? Will there be sudden disaster and everybody die on the planet? अचानक प्रलय आएगा, सब लोग मारे जाए, ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है? नहीं. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ प्रतीक सबको, इतनी आसान मौत नहीं मिलने वाली. ये नेचर इतनी आसानी से नहीं मारेगी. पता है कैसे मारेगा? मूवी में जो खतरनाक विलन होता है, हीरो को कैसे मारता है? कैसे मारता है? तड़पा तड़पा के. तो नेचर हमें कैसे मारेगी? अच्छा, इसको जोर से बोलना चाहिए. रोज शाम को सोने के पहले मंत्र की तरह जाप करना चाहिए. नेचर हमें कैसे मारेगी? तड़पा तड़पा के. मोर फ्लड्स, मोर ड्रॉट्स, मोर हीट वेव्स, मोर फॉरेस्ट फायर, मोर आइस मेल्टिंग, मोर सी लेवल राइज. All going to happen more and more. How many times you read the news that by 2050 half of the Mumbai will be submerged? That's a reality. ये कोई मजाक नहीं है. ये सत्य है, ये फैक्ट है. I've seen villages which are disappeared from this planet. Why? Because sea level rise. ये मजाक की बात नहीं है. तो ये होने वाला है. कब? 1.5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे irreversible changes will start. And 2 degree centigrade, it will be completely reversible. Which means what? Beyond which no human activity will be of any use. The entire population of the world, 8.3 billion, becomes sent by 2 degree centigrade, and you decide to do nothing on this planet, सिर्फ लंगोट पहन के जिएंगे. फिर भी क्लाइमेट को रिवर्स नहीं कर सकते. क्यों? ये इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस है. इज दैट ऑल क्लियर? तो जो भी करना है कब करना है? हाँ. क्लाइमेट को कब ठीक करना है? कि एग्जाम के बाद करेंगे? हाँ, नहीं, दिवाली की बात करेंगे और एनईपी का बुक आ जाएगा ना, तब से करेंगे. एवरीबडी इज पोस्टपोनिंग दिस. नो, यू हैव टू लीव एवरीथिंग असाइड. डू इट राइट नाउ. आई हैव बीन टेलिंग एवरीवेयर. आई वाज इनवाइटेड बाय CBSE, 1300 principals of all over the country, where the top principals are there. And one thing I told them, when you go back, do one thing. Stop school for at least a month. If your child is not going to study physics, maths, chemistry, nothing will happen to him, because he is going to learn for 15-20 years. But if your child doesn't understand what is climate change, why it has changed, who has changed it, when are you going to correct it? If your child, the student for whom you care so much, if he doesn't understand, you are doing a great deal of disservice to him. Because जितने लोग इस हॉल में बैठे हैं, आई एम सॉरी टू से, ये 40-50 साल बाद ये धरती पर कोई बचने वाला है, सब मर जाएंगे. राइट? कौन बचेगा पीछे? जो बच्चा आज 5वीं में है, जो 6ठी में है, जो 10वीं में स्कूल में पढ़ता है, वो बेचारा ज़्यादा लंबे समय तक जीने वाला है. और हमारा अनुभव क्या बोलता है? जो ज़्यादा जिएगा वो ज़्यादा भुगतेगा, तड़पेगा. फैक्ट है, अनुभव बोलता है. इसलिए प्लीज़, as a moral duty, please do what needs to be done. Stop schooling for at least 1 month. That is what. So, how much time is left for 1.5 degrees centigrade? 4-5 years. How much time is left for 2 degrees centigrade? 20-25 years. Which means what? सब काम छोड़ के ये काम करना चाहिए. Everything you should stop. But world seems to be really sleeping, you know. They do not understand. Politicians, policymakers, teachers, parents, press, everybody is in a deep sleep. Have no idea what needs to be done. What is going to happen by end of century 2100? The temperature will rise to minimum 3 degree up to 6 degrees centigrade. And when the temperature will rise to minimum 3 degree, there is a big question mark. Will humans survive? And I have written a book which is going to be published by Penguin. It will be coming in November, December. And the title of the book itself asks this question: are we going to survive or we are going to thrive by end of century? And end of century is not far away. It's only 75 years from now, just few generations away from it. So let us be very, very careful. Whatever you want to do it right now. The $1 million question is, what should I do? And that is where a lot of confusion lies. And that's what I said. First you have to understand what you should not do. है ना? सरल है? पहले हम समझते क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. Well, first of all, please answer me. Who has caused the climate change? Humans have done it, right? You know, whenever I ask this question, बताओ climate change किसने किया है? जितने पढ़े लिखे होशियार इंटेलिजेंट लोग पता क्या बोलते हैं? climate change किसने किया? Humans ने किया है, मैंने थोड़ी किया है. By the way, are you all humans? Yes. अरे इसमें तो डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. Are you all humans? Yes. तो climate change किसने किया है? हमने. Wrong. That's a wrong answer. You know why? Because every time when we use energy directly or indirectly, whether I'm wearing clothes, brushing teeth, traveling, cooking food, using AC hall, I am emitting carbon dioxide. I am wearing clothes, I am eating food, I am enjoying AC, I am sitting on a chair. So who is emitting carbon dioxide? I am doing. So what is the right answer? Who has changed the climate? With the loud, who has changed the climate? I have done it. So who is going to correct it? Not the government, है ना? Not industry. वरना इस हॉल के बाहर जाके पूछो क्लाइमेट चेंज को ठीक करना, हाँ किसको करना है? वो गवर्नमेंट को करना चाहिए, वो इंडस्ट्री को करना चाहिए. नो, दे कांट डू इट, दे कैन नॉट अफोर्ड टू डू इट. All over the world, governments are elected for short time, 4-5 years. They have dharma to win election, and nothing wrong with that. All industries have dharma to make profit, nothing wrong with it. But you and I, individual, has dharma to live healthy and happy life and leave behind a livable planet for our children. So it is I who has to correct the climate change. Let us understand what is not working as a solution to the climate change or sustain. What is not working? And what is not proving sufficient? Well, number one thing, planting trees is not going to work. And I can tell you the maths. Last year, 2023, the global carbon emission was 40 billion tons. And one tree, when it is fully grown, 25-30 years, it absorbs 1 ton of carbon dioxide, 800 to 1000 kilo, let's say 1 ton. So we need 40 billion trees to be planted. But 40 billion trees are 30-year-old. So you need to multiply by 30, so it becomes 1.3 trillion. But every tree is not going to survive, so you have to again multiply the survival rate. You need 6 to 8 trillion trees to be planted every single year. Ladies and gentlemen, आज की तारीख में पूरी धरती पर सारे जंगल मिला के there are only 3 trillion trees. So plantation is not the solution. We should plant, but let us not be in this misconception that it is going to help us in today's context. 50 साल पहले पेड़ लगाना काम था. आज की तारीख में आप भोलेनाथ को प्रसन्न कर लो और सारी दुनिया पे पेड़ लगा दो, क्लाइमेट ठीक होने वाला नहीं है. Is that point clear? Hello? Please. दुनिया में इतने सारे लोग, वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे के दिन सब लोग पेड़ पौधे लगा रहे, फोटो खींच रहे, अच्छी बात है, लगाना चाहिए, पर उससे पर्यावरण को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला, मन को अच्छा लगेगा, दैट्स इट, उतना ही लिमिटेड. व्हाट इज नॉट वर्किंग? कलेक्टिंग प्लास्टिक एंड रिसाइकलिंग. You look at the energy perspective and carbon emission, it is a tiny fraction of the whole game. So tiny that it is inconsequential today. हाँ, गंदगी साफ करने के लिए डेफिनेटली प्लास्टिक उठा के रिसाइकिल करना चाहिए, पर्यावरण को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Why? Because carbon emission comes from somewhere else. कैंसर का इलाज पैरासीटामोल से नहीं कर सकते, right? Cancer cannot be treated by taking paracetamol. If you want to treat cancer, you have to go to the root cause of the cancer. If you want to correct the climate, if you want to restore the environment, you have to go to the root cause. These are not the root cause. These are all paracetamols. Is that making point? Policy making. A lot of people tell me policy making. Well, we had Kyoto Protocol way back in 1997. Paris Agreement 2015, 196 countries have signed it, legally binding agreement. COP meetings, every year COP meetings are taking place. In India, we have Energy Conservation Act. Every institution, every country, every state has to conserve energy as per the Act of Parliament. Have you seen anybody conserving energy? No. नियम कानून बनाने से पर्यावरण ठीक होने वाला नहीं है. Is that clear? अच्छा, टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप कर लेते हैं. Let us develop more solar, more wind, more biomass. Let us go to the moon, develop 5G network, 10G network, efficiency, all this. Is the technology growing in the world? Yes. Is the problem also growing? Yes. इसका मतलब है technology is not going to help us, neither economic growth. World economy has been growing with the rate of 3-4%. Indian economy is growing with the rate of 6-7%. Problem is growing even faster. Yes or no? So all this is not proving so. ये सब की जरूरत है. We should plant tree, we should collect plastic. ये सब, these are all important, but that's not going to solve the problem that we are all so much want to solve the problem. And it is an emergency. You can't treat it as a business as usual. Why? Because eventually we are getting into thrival mode to survival mode. आज के 10 साल पहले हम लोग thrive कर रहे थे. Our age, our expectation level were going up. Our health was becoming better. Is that the same happening right now? The number of cases, sudden deaths, sudden this is going up. So our ulta हो रहा है. So now we are not in a thrival mode anymore. We are now in a survival mode. And as the time passes, the survival will be difficult, expensive, and painful. Ask people in Northeast, when it floods in May, it's flooding in May. Go and ask people in Los Angeles when when the wildfires and 35,000 acres of city got burned. Ask them what does it mean to survive. Ask people in Middle East when there is a snowfall in desert area. All kind of erratic things are happening. No, so we have to take action right now. There is no time to lose. Also, climate change is an emergency. Who can actually act? As I said, government cannot act, industry cannot act. Why? Because they have different priorities. Then I believe the academic institution has the highest responsibility because we have time. We are dealing with the young minds who are going to survive on this planet for longer time. And therefore, forget about my academic duty. It is my moral duty to really do what needs to be done. How to change? What cannot be solution I have seen. Now what is the solution? Let us discuss, and I'm sure all of you know the answer, but I need to dig out that answer. What is change? Well, something never changes with time. और जो change नहीं होता समय के साथ उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? सत्य. जो समय के साथ न बदले, जो शाश्वत है वही सत्य है, और जो सत्य है वही सॉल्यूशन है. तो 2 और 2 4 होंगे. अच्छा, इंडियन इकोनॉमी 9-10% के दर से बढ़ेगी तो 2 + 2 कितने होंगे? फिर भी 4 होंगे. अच्छा, चंद्रयान 3 लैंडेड ऑन द मून. यदि इंडियन लैंड पर मून हो जाए तो 2 और 2 कितने होंगे? तो भी 4 ही होंगे. What does it mean? There are something that doesn't change with time. That you have to recognize. Something that is not changing with time, you have to recognize. Answer me in yes or no, and you know the answer. Are you all ready? With loud voice? Yes. Okay. Is the science improving? Yes. Technology improving? Yes. Economy is growing? Yes. Size of our planet growing? No. धरती बढ़ नहीं रही है. Minerals are growing? No. Soil is growing? कुछ नहीं बढ़ रहा है. On this planet, nothing is growing. Everything is finite. But what humans are thinking? What should grow? Oh, GDP should grow. Production should grow. Consumption should grow. कहाँ से? Everything we derive from this planet. Yes or no? Every single thing we take from this planet, and planet is not growing. How come the number of cloths in your cupboard growing? How come the size of your vehicles are growing? How come the amount of buildings are growing? How come the number of roads are growing? It is impossible. It cannot happen. And if it is happening, you are actually paying the cost. Soil degradation, water degradation, air degradation, global warming, climate change, depression, stress, violence. ये सब हो रहा है. ये किसका कॉस्ट है? अलमारियों में कपड़े बढ़ाने का कॉस्ट है. बात समझ में आ रही? हेलो हेलो. हाँ, है ना, क्योंकि सबकी अलमारी में कपड़े बढ़ रहे हैं. जितने लोग बैठे हैं उनके तो बढ़ ही रहे हैं. ये सब उसकी कॉस्ट है. और कौन चुकाने वाला है? हाँ, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. किसकी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन? हाँ, तुम्हारे पड़ोसी के नहीं. हु इज गोइंग टू पे द प्राइस? योर ओन चिल्ड्रन, योर ओन ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन. are going to pay what you and I am doing right now on this planet. Please be merciful to your own children. You don't have to please anybody. Forget about society, forget about the country. Please be merciful to your own children. Nothing can grow, planet cannot grow. Therefore, only one thing is finite, that nature is finite. We are already consuming resources equivalent of 1.7 Earth. We have only one Earth. इसका मतलब क्या? इसका मतलब we are all stealing things. हम चोरी का जीवन जीते हैं. पानी चोरी का है, मिट्टी चोरी का है, सब चोरी का है. इंडिया में वाटर टेबल going down? Yes. Ever since we got hold of technology, water table is going down. कल पानी किसको नहीं मिलेगा? तुम्हारे बच्चों को नहीं मिलेगा. तो ये पानी जो लेते हैं ट्यूबवेल से, चोरी का पानी, मेरे फादर ने, तुम्हारे फादर ने वहाँ नहीं रखा था. We are taking it up. That is what stealing is all about. We are all living a stolen life. And therefore, on 25th July to 31st December, we are all going to use resources which nature has not regenerated. We are taking more. And therefore, I would request all of you to note down this date, 24th July. 24th July is Earth Overshoot Day. Let us celebrate it as a finite Earth Day. Can you all do that? Finite Earth. Let us bring to our mind, to our consciousness that everything is finite. And therefore, एक ही सत्य, on this finite planet with the finite resources, there can only be finite consumption. और यही अनंत सत्य है. And until unless you follow this, nothing can be sustainable. Am I very clear? On a finite planet, and that's why we started this, what we call is the finite Earth movement. And everybody should follow this, whether you are American or African, young or old, rich or poor, doesn't matter. Everybody consumes, everybody emits. Every act of consumption is a carbon emission. So let us follow. And every time when you are going to do something, every time you are going to buy something, every time you have to use something, read this. I can afford, but nature cannot. You know why? Because when I grow, when my salary increases, when my business increases, my capacity to buy increases. But with my capacity to buy, does the nature capacity to supply also increase? Hello? No. So please take in mind, keep in mind, write in a big lines all your schools. I can afford, but nature cannot afford. Please be merciful on this fact. And let's make this as a mass movement. हम कुछ लोगों के करने से, I believe that Go Sharpener not goes to how many schools you have? 300? You should go to 30,000 schools. It's not enough. It's not enough that 1 million, 10 million, 1,000 million people to know. All 8 billion people have to take part in this. Why? Because carbon dioxide has no boundary. You emit, I emit, my neighbor is emitting, my neighboring country is emitting, America is emitting. Everybody is going to pay the price. So everybody has to be part of this game, because it is now the game of survival. It is not the game of survival. And therefore, we ourselves have made a target to reach out to 1 billion people by 2027. And I really feel that in next 2.5 years, we can literally bring 1 billion people on board. Why? Because what is the solution? What is the action that is required? आप सब लोग पढ़ सकते हैं. क्या लिखा है? What is the action that is required? Inaction. Inaction is the action for required climate. क्या करना है solution में? कुछ नहीं करना है ना? जैसे कि इस साल आपने डिसाइड किया कि कपड़े नए खरीदेंगे नहीं. That's a great contribution. Because एक जोड़ी कपड़े खरीदने में 10,000 लीटर पानी जाता है, 20-30 किलोग्राम कार्बन इमिशन होता है, 2-3 किलोग्राम फर्टिलाइजर यूज होता है, 1-2 किलोग्राम पेस्टिसाइड यूज होता है. So you are not buying clothes. What you are buying? You are buying clothes plus carbon emission plus water pollution plus air pollution. जब भी कोई सामान खरीदते you are buying everything. What you have to do? Not do something. That itself is a great solution, and therefore I believe the whole world can take part in this movement right from today. What you have to do? Not take something, not do something. And it's all encompassing. Finite Earth movement is in line with Mission Life. Lifestyle for Environment, Prime Minister said, we have to transit from the mindless to mindful consumption. And every minute we are consuming, keep reminding you, every minute. So every minute you have to worry about, every day you have to worry about. वरना दिवाली के दिन फटाके नहीं फोड़े और खुश हो गए, उससे काम नहीं चलने वाला. Every minute, every day. So if you are going to follow the finite Earth movement, you will be aligned with Mission Life. It is a global call. It is not for some people, and it is youth centric. It is the youth for whom we should worry about more as a moral duty. Therefore, let us say one planet, one movement, only one future. And that future where we can breathe clean air, where we can drink a glass of water without filtering, and where we can eat food without chemical. So then last point is, okay, fine, we understood what is the problem of climate change, that I consume and therefore I cause carbon emission. I must correct it, and every aspect I should do, not few aspect of it. What should I do? I have created, based on my 5 years of yatra and 25 years of career as a professor, I have created a solution. What should you do? Well, how to join the movement? There are 3 ways you should do. Number 1, change yourself. Right? Gandhiji said, be the change that you want to see in the world. You got that earth is finite, resources are finite, consumption should be finite. Whose consumption should be finite? Huh? Not our consumption. My consumption. है ना? वरना आज शाम को सबको जाके भाषण दोगे, देखो आज प्रोफेसर सोलंकी का लेक्चर सुना है, बहुत अच्छी बात है ना, एक काम करना, तू कल से अपना कंजम्पशन कम कर ले. किसको कंजम्पशन कम करना है? पहले मुझे करना है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज आई डू इट. नाउ वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम, सो वी हैव टू बिल्ड टीम्स. You have to tell people, you have to tell your school student, and you have to tell the parents of the school student, and you have to tell their neighbors. We are running out of time. We have to reach out to billions of people, build a team. Why? Because carbon dioxide is no boundary. And then finally, we have decided that the whole movement should be with the public contribution. We don't take government funding. We have stopped taking CSR funds also. Because I believe it is your and my problem. Everybody has to become sensitive enough to feel that it needs to contribute. What is the climate action framework? Well, you have to follow 2P habits. We have created a character called 2P. And what is this character? This is our life divided into 5 categories, not just one category. Only electricity worrying is not enough, only putting solar is not enough. Every aspect of life. And that's why then only there is no framework in the entire world where you take care of every aspect. Every aspect. What are those 5 aspects? Travel, use of items, purchase cautiously, eat carefully, eliminate electricity. These are the 5 things that you should do it. And how should I do? How should I travel less? How should I purchase cautiously? How should I eat carefully? How should I eliminate electricity waste? For that you have to follow AMG approach. A lot of people think about RRR, reduce, reuse, recycle. I think that was good but not effective anymore. It doesn't tell you that prevention is better than cure. Avoid is best thing you can do for contribution. Not doing something is a great contribution. Recycling itself is going to take energy, material cost. So recycling in lot quantity is also not a good idea for the environment. So what you should do? Not RRR, AMG. Avoid what is avoidable. If you cannot avoid, minimize with efficiency. If you cannot minimize, generate locally. This is the formula, AMG. For example, electricity, avoid the wastage. If you cannot avoid it, minimize with all efficient appliances. If you cannot minimize it, generate locally on your rooftop. This is so this 2P plus AMG is your universal climate action framework. Anything and everything under the planet you can do with this 2P plus AMG. याद रहेगा सबको? By the way, I'm not going to go through example, but these are the example you can look at sometime in your free time. But this is our 2P. What I request all of you is, all this, everything is available by the way in public domain, everything for free. What you can do is make a 2P cutout and put it at the entrance of your school, wherever you are. Put a 2P in your school, because 2P is going to remind us, make 2P as part of our life. There is a, by the way, climate action portal. All these actions can be recorded and people can make their team and everything. So what you can do with the 2P actions, you can actually go there, you can record. It's like a shopping. You can do the shopping of, like you do the shopping of clothes and material, you can do shopping of climate actions. You can say, okay, I'm deciding to not wear iron clothes. By the way, I'm a professor of IIT Bombay. At my home, there is no refrigerator, there is no geyser, there is no microwave. I never install AC at home. I don't iron my clothes, I don't use soap. There are so many things I don't do. I avoid, not because I cannot afford, but because nature cannot afford. And acha, by avoiding all these things, मैं दुखी भी नहीं हुआ. Do I look like a दुखी person? No. अच्छा, और खास बात है, मेरी शादी में 25 साल हो गए, मुझे वाइफ ने अभी तक तलाक भी नहीं दिया. कहने का मतलब, when you avoid, nothing is going to change. So these are the things you can do it, and it's all for free for everyone to use. This is how a portal looks like. Go there, energyswaraj.org or the finiteearth.org. Click on the Finite Earth movement. You can join in 3 ways: individual, organization, or network leader. Network leader is a top organization. They register, get a unique link. That unique link go to the sub organization. For example, Go Sharpener can be our partner. You can register, you can create a link, send that link to everyone else. Then everyone else, when they register, they also get an imprint of top leader, and you create your own unique link that you send it to your student. whatever a student do, it is appearing on your portal. So everything is connected with each other, and every action is a what is called carbon correction point. This is how it looks like. So you choose your actions, whatever you want to do it, and say, okay, add to my cart. When you add to my cart, it appears on your my climate action card, and then every action has a carbon point, and once you perform that activity, then you get so many points, and beyond certain point you get a certificate of climate enthusiast, then you can become climate hero, then you can become climate champion, and a lot of things that can happen. Not only thing, the beautiful part is you can refer to your teams, you can build your own teams. So there is a referral link available to every individual, every organization. You can invite your friends, family members, neighboring circle, whatever you are doing, ask them to do it. Then it is appearing on your referral link, and finally at the end of it you can get certificates. By the way, there is no sustainability rating which is wide enough. Many people only worry about solar and some water recycling. This is one rating that will be universal, and it will be really comprehensive, first of its kind. And every organization, actually based on the point earned, you can ask for yourself. So you have to worry about travel, purchase, food, water, electricity, everything is part of this rating. In summary, you have to remember the 6 climate mantras. कुछ याद मत रखना है, 6 चीजें याद रख लेना, and that's job done. And apply this in everyday life. What is the mantra? Recognize that it is urgency. You cannot be, relaxed. Time is already out. You have to leave behind everything and do this. Number 2, recognize that earth is finite, resources are finite, therefore consumption has to be finite. Third, every act of consumption is a carbon emission. Brushing teeth is a carbon emission, sending WhatsApp message is a carbon emission, wearing shirt is carbon emission, eating food is a carbon emission, sitting on a chair is also carbon emission. Every action is a carbon emission. Fourth, who is doing all this? I. Consume, I cause, so I must correct. I have to take this action. Fifth, follow 2P habits. Make 2P as part of your life. Every time you think about it, follow 2P habits. And sixth, follow AMG approach for 2P habits. What is your filter of action? ये करना है कि नहीं करना है, याद करना AMG. अवॉइड कर सकता हूँ क्या? अच्छा नहीं तो मिनिमाइज कर सकता हूँ क्या? अच्छा नहीं तो जनरेट कर सकता हूँ क्या? और AMG नियम का पालन नहीं किया तो यू विल हैव टू से OMG, oh my God, इतना महंगा, इतना मुश्किल, इतना डिफिकल्ट, इतना ये. So let us do that. You can all take this 5 actions immediately. Start a climate action cell in your organization wherever you are. Become the partner in the whole movement. A पूरा global movement है. By the way, everything is available. All this document, everything is available on this folder. It is all free for everyone. Please do that. And bit.ly fem-folder. So everything is on this folder. Please feel free to do that. At the end, thanks to the Go Sharpener for giving me this opportunity and be the part of this movement. Why? Because I can afford, but nature cannot. So thank you so much. Thank you very much. I hope you understood what is not sustainability, and let us be part of this finite earth movement with happiness and with smile, because ultimate aim of life is to be happy and smiling all the time. Thank you so much.